Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Donald on Clash of Clans app. To know how to fix or how to solve Donald on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Clash of Clans. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Clash of Clans. If you'll find here update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.